Welcome back. I'm Kevin Locken with Mitchell Acoustical, and today we're going to adjust a door closer. Our problem with this door is that it's too heavy to open and it's too fast to close. Now, we should have about a 5-pound open and a 5-second close to get to our latch here, and we don't have that. So we're going to make 2 adjustments to see if we can get that corrected. We've got our 5/32 Allen key. There's 2 adjustments that we need to make on this door. The first is the sweep, and that one controls the close speed on this. The other one is the open. They both need to be, for our purpose, need to be turned clockwise. So I'm going to make 2 adjustments, going to turn them about a 1/4 turn and see where that gets us. It's a little bit better on the open. A little bit better on the close. So we'll go ahead, we'll do one more quick adjustment to both. See how that opens works. All right, we'll do one more. It's good here on the open. Pretty decent on the close. What I need to do now is adjust the latch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you guys can see, it's now a nice clean shut. That's 2 quick and simple adjustments on a door closer. We only had to deal with our sweep, which was our close, and our open, which should be about 5 pounds. On the sweep, it should close at about 5 seconds, and that's just according to ADA. That allows for any wheelchair's accessibility to get through. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Any comments or questions, we'll be more than happy to answer them for you, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.